Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can centralize all your data in a single place and in just a few clicks. We'll share the pain of dealing with separate reporting from different tools. The data is all over the place and you end up struggling to put it together. Having everything on the same platform makes your life easier, especially if you want to use multiple data sources in the same analysis. Let me show you how easy it is with Latitude's data workspace. Okay, the first thing I want to do is show you really quickly this image that we have in our homepage. So if you want to check it out, just go to Latitude, that is so. But basically what is showing here is the different data sources that you might have, from Postgres database to Stripe or HubSpot or Google Analytics, and how everything goes into the data engine. And you don't need to worry about keeping up with pipelines or maintaining the whole infrastructure of your data. We take care of everything, and you can just go and focus on exploring your data, visualizing, generating charts, and sharing with the rest of your team. So everything is quite easy from here. Cool. So now that we have seen how the data engine works, I'm going back to Latitude, and here I want to show you how easy it is to actually connect a new data source. So I just need to go to settings and then data sources, and here you can see a list of data sources that I have previously connected to Latitude. So you can see HubSpot, Google Sheets, a Postgres database, and even that we have already a HubSpot data source connected. I want to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to click on Add New Data Source. And then I just need to go to the HubSpot connector. And now that you're in the HubSpot connector page, I promise it's as easy as go to Authenticate HubSpot. Then choose our account. Click here. And as you can see, you have all your tables from HubSpot, and this is syncing. So whenever this is finished, you will have all your data ready to start working with it. Okay, so now I'm back in the home screen, and I want to show you how you can use multiple data sources in the same analysis. So what I'm going to do is create a new project. In this case, I'm going to create it empty. So I'll be using two tables. The first one is the contacts properties table from HubSpot, and the second one is a users table from my production database. And basically what I want to do here is to enrich my HubSpot data with product usage from my production database. Let's go to the block gallery and search for the contacts properties table. So I'm gonna drag and drop it to the canvas, and then I'll search for my users table from my production database. So now I just need to create a join block, connect the other table to the join block, and I can perform a join by email. So let me select it here and here. I'm gonna select the block, run it. So after I've run the block, I can open the inspector, and here I can see all the columns from both tables together, and I can see that the join has been performed correctly. As you can see, it's quite easy to centralize your data in a single place with just a few clicks. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to sign up for free at latitude.so.